What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. I'm Sam Alxr, and today we're going to be customizing an all-white pair of Air Max 95. So recently I've been doing quite a few pairs of Air Max. I've done 97s, like 2 pairs of 90s. So I thought, why not switch it up and do some 95s? So the colours we'll be using are white, red, black, dark green and light green. If you're new, subscribe. If you enjoyed the video, leave a thumbs up, and let's get into it. Let's go. So this is the finished shoe then, completely done. You've got roses on the side, black at the front, white laces, and then I did the little Nike Air thingy thing on the back, black as well. I think they turned out pretty cool, you know. I think they turned out pretty nice. But yeah, make sure to let me know what you guys think of them. Would you rock them? Also, I'm not sure if I mentioned at the start of the video, but these are a giveaway. To enter the giveaway, you probably know by now, all you've got to do is subscribe with post notifications on, like this video, and follow my Instagram. It's at Sam Alxr. I'll put it on the screen or something, and I'll pick and announce the giveaway winner on, let's say, January 29th, which is also my birthday. So that's in like 2 weeks. So you've got a couple weeks to enter. Let me give you guys like a little bit of a hint of what the shoe's gonna be for the next custom. You see that box? You see that box right there? That's a hint right there. So that's the next custom. Make sure you stay tuned for that. Today's comment shout goes to Kamani. I appreciate you watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out. Peace.